So what you just watched demonstrates how I take one long video and instantly turn it into a whole batch of social clips using Vizard. But to be clear, Vizard is essentially the smartest assistant for creators aiming to transform long-form footage into short, punchy, post-ready content without the hours of manual editing. It automatically finds the best moments, creates those optimized clips, and even helps you publish them on a consistent schedule. I'm going to walk you through exactly how I use this tool with my team, why it's now fundamental to our workflow, and the necessary trade-offs so you can judge if it suits your needs. All right, for the quick setup, I simply upload a raw, long-form video, maybe a podcast episode or a lengthy interview, directly into our dedicated Vizard workspace. The platform then immediately analyzes all the footage, proactively detects the most engaging highlights, and chops those segments into bite-sized clips, optimized for every social platform. No kidding, I literally hit upload, step away to make a cup of coffee, and when I return, there are dozens of clip suggestions already waiting for me. For teams like mine that are not in the same physical room, this feature is an absolute game changer in daily operations. I manage 3 editors spread across different time zones, and Vizard provides a unified view of the entire clip bank and content calendar for everyone. It consolidates everything into one single place, allowing multiple people to work without the usual headache of file synchronization issues. Hey team, here's a quick demo showing the power in action. I just dropped a full episode in, and Vizard surfaced 25 quality clip candidates in less than 10 minutes. The best part is you don't need to download anything locally because the clips stream directly in your web browser, allowing for instant previews. If someone on the team decides to take a clip, they simply claim it, quickly edit the exact trim point, add captions and a custom thumbnail, and boom, it's queued up for publishing. Now, how does this compare to tools like Descript, Premiere Pro, or Capwing that many of us are familiar with? Those are all fantastic tools in their own right. Descript excels at transcript-based editing. Premiere offers unparalleled control for deep customization, and Capwing is simple for quick collages or text overlays. However, each one has significant downsides when your main objective is achieving consistent, scalable short-form output across many different platforms. Specifically, Descript and Premiere still demand substantial manual effort to sift through footage to find those truly viral moments and then assemble dozens of individual clips. Conversely, Capwing often lacks the capability for confident auto-scheduling and managing a unified cross-platform content calendar effectively. Vizard's key difference is its specialized purpose. First, to auto-identify viral moments. Second, to generate ready-to-post clips. And third, to automate scheduling so you can truly set it and forget a posting cadence. Let me break down how I integrate this as both an individual creator and as the team lead managing output. First, you establish a workspace, which should be named something simple that relates directly to the specific channel or ongoing project you are focusing on. Next, you carefully select your team members and assign them specific roles within that workspace, defining their permissions levels clearly. Some team members might only have permission to create and edit the clips, while others are granted full scheduler access to manage publishing. This flexibility is clutch, especially when onboarding. You create a new user, give them access only to their necessary folder, and they are productive within minutes. If a trial editor doesn't work out, revoking their access takes just 2 quick clicks, immediately stopping any assigned clips from syncing to our live calendar. Once the long video is uploaded, Vizard's powerful auto-editing feature scans the entire file and assigns engagement scores to moments based on factors like emotion spikes or unique spoken phrases. It then transforms those highly scored moments into short clips, complete with suggested cut points and initial caption text for review. You absolutely have the option to accept those suggestions as they are for maximum speed, or you can tweak the timing or rephrase the captions to perfectly match your authentic voice. Furthermore, Vizard includes powerful batch actions, allowing you to apply a consistent branding template across an entire set of clips simultaneously. This feature, which handles things like logos, fonts, and intro or outro stingers, legitimately saves many hours of repetitive work every single week. Now, let's move on to my absolute favorite feature, the intelligent auto-schedule function. You define your desired posting frequency for each platform. Say, 3 times a week for Reels, twice for Shorts, and 4 for TikTok. Vizard then automatically slots those AI-picked clips into your content calendar based on those platform rules you established. Crucially, it won't post randomly. You can set specific rules like ensuring you don't post 2 clips from the same source episode on the same day. Once everything is set, Vizard manages the entire publishing process through native integrations, eliminating the need for any separate third-party scheduler application. The content calendar truly acts as the central nerve center for the entire team's output management. It clearly displays pending clips, scheduled posts, platform targets, caption drafts, hashtag suggestions, and who is accountable for each piece of content. If an editor finalizes a piece, they simply drag it into the designated calendar slot for publication approval or scheduling. If I need to instantly rearrange posts based on breaking industry news, a quick drag and drop updates everyone in real time, so there are zero surprises about what goes live. I will be candid. No system is absolutely perfect, and the AI does occasionally miss very subtle human nuance. It might flag a moment as being viral ready when it actually requires a touch more context or a significantly smoother editorial transition. This is why I still mandate that my editors perform a quick review on all AI-highlighted clips before they are ever committed to the schedule. Also, for any tasks demanding heavy, frame-by-frame color grading or highly complex motion graphics, you will inevitably still need dedicated tools like Premiere or After Effects. Vizard is not designed to replace those advanced finishing suites. Instead, it replaces the massive initial time expenditure of finding clips and manually setting up the publishing schedule. Then there is the necessary conversation around the subscription cost, as high-level automation is expensive to develop and maintain. Vizard's pricing is specifically targeted at creators who are genuinely serious about maximizing their output volume and efficiency. It lands at a point that is more affordable than hiring a full-time social media manager, but naturally pricier than the most basic DIY editing applications. For the majority of creators I work with, the sheer amount of time saved easily justifies the monthly subscription fee for the platform. If you are only producing one long-form video per month, this level of automation might indeed be overkill for your current operation. But if your goal is to regularly repurpose extensive content into dozens of platform-specific short-form assets, it transforms your entire process. Let's discuss integration and system performance. Vizard natively supports connections with major cloud storage providers in addition to direct file uploads. It also integrates with all the major social platforms for direct publishing and connects to common asset libraries for music tracks and high-quality thumbnails. Because the actual clip generation happens entirely server-side, your personal laptop only needs enough power to stream the results and manage the scheduling interface. That said, if your final touches involve editing high frame rate footage or complex multi-camera projects, you will still need that powerful, dedicated editing workstation. And similar to any other cloud-based tool, the reliability of your internet connection becomes very important when multiple people are reviewing and publishing simultaneously. Here is a clear, four-step workflow I recommend that teams adopt immediately for maximum effectiveness when starting out. Step 1. Upload your long-form footage to the project workspace and tag it thoroughly with episode information, key topics, and relevant metadata to aid the AI. Step 2 involves letting Vizard auto-generate the initial clips while you proactively draft caption templates and lock down your overall content posting cadence. Step 3 requires your editors to review the top suggested clips, perform quick, necessary trims, and apply your standard branding templates across the selected set. Step 4 is scheduling the finalized clips into the content calendar, perhaps even setting up A/B testing variations for captions on different platforms. Finally, monitor the performance data. Vizard's analytics will highlight which clips drove the most engagement, allowing the AI to learn and improve future suggestions. Here are a couple of practical tips. Always upload the absolute highest quality source video you possess, as the AI extracts much better moments from pristine files. Secondly, give the AI context through episode metadata, explicitly listing names, major topics, and timestamps to guide its analysis. Do not be afraid to override the AI's suggestions when necessary. Remember, it functions as a powerful helper, not the ultimate director of your content. And please utilize those batch edit features for captions and thumbnails across multiple clips, because it is exponentially faster than editing every single one individually. To compare against the ecosystem one last time, Dropbox and Drive are fantastic for pure storage, but offer zero content analysis or posting functionality. Descript is superb for text-first editing workflows, but struggles to scale effectively as a full-fledged publishing engine for high volume. Traditional social schedulers like Buffer or Later are excellent at managing the posting queues, but crucially, they cannot create the source clips from your long videos. This is exactly where Vizard fits. It seamlessly merges automatic clip discovery with native scheduling and a calendar specifically designed for content repurposing. We are certainly not suggesting those other applications are useless. We use them too. But for creators prioritizing volume, speed, and an organized publishing calendar, Vizard fills a distinct and valuable gap. To summarize the main takeaways in a quick list, the pros are massive time savings, automated discovery, easy remote team collaboration, and maintaining a consistent posting rhythm. The cons involve that recurring need for final manual review, the fact it won't replace high-end finishing software, and subscription costs that might deter very small, non-scaling creators. Overall, I view Vizard as a premium service designed specifically to help established creators scale their social output without immediately needing to hire a large internal team. If you had told me a decade ago that I could upload one interview and have it generate 2 months of varied social clips scheduled across platforms, I would not have believed you. Yet I now accomplish this regularly, experiencing the incredible feeling of moving a project from raw, long-form to polished short-form for diverse audiences so incredibly quickly. If your team collaborates remotely, or if you focus heavily on repurposing long content into high-frequency shorts, you absolutely owe it to your output to test Vizard. Try it on a single recent episode or live stream and simply observe how many solid, ready-to-use clips it automatically produces for your team. For many creators, that moment of seeing the immediate volume is when they finally grasp the true, tangible value proposition of the entire system. A strategy I use is to run Vizard for active projects, while moving archived, older RAW files onto cheaper, long-term cold storage solutions to save costs. If you want a deeper dive into how we specifically integrate this tool, such as our caption settings or how we batch brand thumbnails, drop a comment below and I will share a full step-by-step breakdown. For now, please stay creative, keep experimenting with new formats, and always remember, great content is a strategic blend of strong ideas and unrelenting speed. Vizard's entire purpose is to help you move much faster so you can dedicate more mental energy to developing those core, impactful ideas. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all in the next video, and happy clipping to everyone!